Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add payment method in Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app in a mobile device. After that, on the bottom right corner there's a profile icon. Select that. When you reach to your profile, on the top right corner we can see the 3-line icon. Tap there and scroll a bit down until you find the order and fundraisers option. Select the orders and payments. Over here we can see under the settings, payment methods. Tap on the payment methods and tap on the add payment method. Over here you need to select any three of the option there. Select one of the account, and what you have to do is follow the on-screen instruction in order to do that. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.